Burnham-on-Sea. Burnham. We are here in Burnham-on-Sea. Tingnan guys. Ganda ng view. Walking kayo dito. Walking on the beach. Walking on the beach.
Right, wrong to left.
Turn on the left. Dito tayo guys, oh, sa beach. Hello everyone! Dito tayo sa Burnham-on-Sea. Ayan guys, oh, ang dagat. Nag-walking kami dito.
British seaside.
British seaside. Ayan guys, so low tide. Ang sarap pag-walking. Ayan, oh, galing kami sa walking. Sa Wookie Hall. Tapos nandito kami dito sa Burnham-on-Sea. Ang ganda ng view. Tingnan dito sa dagat. Gago! Ayan. Ayan guys, so ang pier. Ayan. Mahangin. Ayan ang dagat. Ayan ang araw. Hunas. Takot sa amin ito, hunas. Ano to eh? Low tide. Low tide. Ayan, pabalik na. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Oh, daming ano yan, malak, sigaw. Sigaw ng damdamin. Tayo sa Burnham-on-Sea. Tayo sa sigaw.
I got it upset. Okay, well, that was upset.
Where are you going? Here. Eh. Kapatid ko. Hindi alam saan ako nadali. Hindi alam. Galing nagdala. Ang dagat. So the water is coming in the night time. Oh, right. No pedestrian. Says. Oh, really? Ah, that's why there is. Summer. Take a picture.
It'll be expensive, wouldn't it? You're like these ones down here, look, it's got higher view.
Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito guys. Dito tayo sa Burnham-on-Sea. Naglalakad-lakad, nag-walking. Galing kami sa Wookie Hall. Ayan. What time now? Is 7 o'clock? Half 7? Oh, quarter to 7. Still bright.
Quarter to 7.
Oh,
7:15.
7:15! Still bright!
Quarter past 7.
Quarter to 7.
Quarter past.
Oh, quarter to past.
I know you're not used to that.
I don't like quarter. I want like 7:15 or 7. And guys, walking tayo. Ang ganda ng view guys. Hindi ko lang maharap sa dagat kasi yung ilaw. Araw pala. Silaw. Ano yung ano. Ayun o. Ganda kahit gabi na. Winter dito. 4 o'clock. Madilim na. Ngayon, 7:50 na. Maliwanag pa. 7:50 PM. PM ngayon dito. Parang maliwanag pa. Ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view. Kasi lang ang dagat. Ano nga, low tide. Pero ang dagat is dagat yan. Dito kami nag-walking. Walking kami. Wow, ganda ng mga bahay. Yan, ito kami. Nag-walking kami sa Burnham-on-Sea, sa beach. Ganda ng view. Dagat. Ganda ng view. Walking na tayo dito para makapag exercise. How the design of the thing is hard.
See, if we had a camper van, we could just stay in the camper van overnight. Look.
So they're staying there now.
They might
You
stay
can
there.
park in there. You're allowed to park.
I don't know. Some places you are, some places you're not. Sometimes you get moved on, but sometimes you can find lay-bys and you can just park in a lay-by and just stay there, can't you?
Ang ganda dito guys mag-walking. Pag ganitong araw. Ang ganda mag-walking. Yan, oh. Sa likod namin yan. Inialakad namin. Ito naman yung papuntahan namin. Ang ganda dagat yan. Kaso lang ang araw na sa dagat. Ang hirap-hirap. Silaw. Ganda, dami nagpa-park din. Nakarin natin guys. Exercise tayo. Yan ang view. Sa dagat. Yan ang dagat. Yan na guys. Pabalik na kami sa aming pinag-walking. Ang daming sigaw na lilipat-lipat. Ayan ang dagat guys. Ang ganda. Ang sarap dito mag-walking. Pag ganitong weather. Oh my love.
What?
It's nice here to walk
Yeah.
when the weather is like this.
And then, like, a little bit blowy, but it's still nice.
Ang dami nagpa-park sa gilid.
He's got a proper stand for holding rods and 2 rods, look, on one stand.
I read this. What?
I don't know. Some rubbish.
What you said?
I said that man's all prepared, but he's got 2 rods on one stand. He doesn't want to have rollers, look.
Where is too far to the sea?
Yeah, he's quite a long way from the
Doon ang view. Ang ganda talaga ng dagat. Sarap mag-walking dito sa hapon. Ano? Ang ganda ng lalakarin. Dami naglalakad dito. Dagat na. Low tide. Diba? Okay, so makikita mo yung sea. Yung crabs. Ano gusto nyo makikita dito sa dagat? Ayan, ako gusto ko yung crabs. Ang dami. Dami palaruan. Aboy ng pier.
We want to be here.
Malinis dito ang toilet. Dinner tayo dito guys. Kain tayo dito.